Hi everybody, I'm Ellie and welcome back to Tech Tricks channel. Google Form allows you to break each form into sections with their own page. Even better, you can create subsections in which people only can see certain sections based on their answers. Today I want to show you how to create multiple choice questions with subsections. Okay, get started. First, I should create a multiple choice form. The form is about animals. Do you like animals? Now a multiple choice question with yes and no answers. Now this form needs two other sections. One section is related to the yes answer and the second section is for the no answer. This icon creates section. When I click on that, a new section will add. I need two sections, so I click on that again. The next step is attaching the answers to sections. For this aim, click on these three dots and choose Go to Section based on answer. These two fields will appear. Now attach the first answer to Section 2 and the next one to Section 3. Okay, this step is finished. Let's fill the sections. Click on Add Question and type in the question. If the answer was yes, I want that this question appears. Which one do you like more? Dog, cat, rabbit. You can have the title for the section either. And the next section is related to the no answer. You can have a title and type in the question. Why you don't like animals? And I type the answers. Okay, the questions and the answers finished. Click on the preview to see the form. Do you like animals? First, I choose yes and next. As you can see, the next question is based on the yes answer. And if I go back, this time I choose no and next. The question is related to the no answer. You learned how to create a multiple choice form with subsections. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up, and if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will answer all of them.